Hello everyone and welcome to Oracle Concepts. Today we will learn how to install Linux on a Oracle VM VirtualBox. So basically, first of all, you should have a Linux software, that is the ISO image, on your system. You can download it, and you should have the Oracle VM VirtualBox on your system. To download VirtualBox, you can simply go to virtualbox.org, and here you can download the Oracle VirtualBox, the latest version. I already have it installed on my system, so I will simply open the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Now to create a new server, we will go to new. We have to specify the name of the server. Let's give it S01. Type of server, it's Linux. Version, there could be UBus, there could be Linux 2.6 or anything. I'll simply give Linux others, 64-bit. You have to specify the memory. 512 was sufficient, but I will give 1024 because I'm going to work on this system further with data guard rack and all those things. And create. Now in the file location, you can specify. By default it will go to a C drive, so you can change it to D drive or any other drive. 8 GB it is taken by default because Linux software will not take much space, but anyhow I will take 20 GB for this so that I can use it later on. We can increase the size later as well, and we'll allocate the space dynamically so that it can increase as and when we will start working on the server, up to a maximum of 20 GB because we have specified that limit. Now machine is created. What we need to do now, machine don't know where the Linux software is, so we have to go to storage, click on storage, empty. Here you have to choose the file from where it is kept. It's on my desktop and this is the file I know, so I can select directly from here and OK. Now we have to start the machine. So install or upgrade an existing system. It will start the initialization checks. It is doing all the initialization check of hardware and all those things. Now it wants to check the media, that is the ISO file of Linux. I know it is fine, it is not broken anywhere, so I can skip this. If you want, you can press OK and it will check the media files, and again it will give the same option where you have to proceed further. So basically we can proceed from these steps. Now here the Oracle Linux 6 installation begins. Go to next, select the language. English is fine, US English is okay for the keyboard. Now we have basic storage device. We should go for the basic storage device, that is fine for us. See, it is saying that 20 GB that we have assigned, if there is anything in that particular space, it will be discarded and new data will be written to that. So anyhow we can go ahead and discard it because we know there is nothing in that particular space. Now it is examining and doing the initial pre-checks. Now see, here it is asking for the host name, S01 we can provide server name, and we have to configure network system Ethernet 0. Fine, you can double click this and you can check it once. You can edit it, and basically you can say connect automatically and available to all users. Apply and close. It has activated the Ethernet 0. Now next, you can specify the time zone on which you are working. Any specific time zone you can provide it here. So right now I am in Asia I'm in India basically, so Asia, and for India I will go to Kolkata. You can specify your own time zone and next. Now you have to provide the root password, anything you can provide. I'm providing very simple password, just now for demo purpose, root 123 I have given, and next. It is saying it is a weak password. That is fine because I know I have given it a weak password. It's just for demo purpose. Now it is saying what type of installation you want. We can say replace existing Linux system because we know there's no Linux system out there on the space that we are providing, the 20 GB space that we have given. Write changes to the disk. There's nothing out there. Now it is creating the basic file systems for server installation. Now it will ask what kind of server do you want. Basic server. I want database server because I will install Oracle on that later on. So I'll select that and next. Now it is starting the actual installation process, where the packages and all those things will be installed, complete OS will be installed. So it has initiated the packages. Now it is 615 packages. It's gonna take some time, so I will pause my video here and I'll be back once it is about to complete 100%. Now here you can see that all the packages have been installed and Oracle Linux 6 has been installed on the system. Now congratulations, your Oracle Linux server installation is completed. Now you have to reboot your machine and then all the changes will come into effect and your system will start as a fresh Linux machine. So here it is booting the system. Initializing the server, Oracle Linux Server 6.3. And here it is. We have the login page for S01, S01, the server name we have given. Login is root because we haven't created any other user yet. Root is the only user and the password that we have given during installation. Now here you can see we are on the server. We can check host name if you want, and this is it. So this is how we install Linux on a virtual VM box. Thanks for watching video. Subscribe my channel and like my videos if you like it, so that you can get some more updates on Oracle concepts. Thank you so much everyone. Bye bye.